Hey everyone, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Jen here in the house. So I know that this is soups late, but I didn't get my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus until just recently. And then my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate has officially shipped, what is it, the end of the month? And I don't know if I will have it before July is over. So I wanted to go ahead and film this one and talk about some of the things that went on with my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you want to see what the problems were or what the good things were, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so per usual, it's Ipsy Take a Break this month, and yay. So basically, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is going to, it's still $25. They're going to let you pick 3 of your 5 items. And you won't get to pick until the 1st. So on the 1st, you will pick your items, and then you will be able to add on to your bag the 1st through the 3rd. First come, first serve. So come if you want to get the good stuff first, or wait and come later. And then, yeah, so that's kind of the new that's going on. It's only available for Plus, which is, again, $25 a month. I do have a referral link down below. It is just a free referral link. I don't make any commission off of it or anything like that. So, basically, yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. The bag that came with this was like a plastic. I don't know if it's waterproof or not, but it is plastic. It's got a little airplane dangling. It says Wanderlust, and that's it. So it's plasticky. Gonna add it to the continued ever-growing bag collection. I need to post them all in like an Ipsy BoxyCharm group and be like, does anybody want to buy these? Because I'm never going to use them all. It's kind of ridiculous that they send a bag every month. I think it's really dumb. So that being said, let's continue to talk about things that are really dumb that they have done. Alright, so the first thing that I got was the Salmon VGE&E Hydroactive Eye Cream. Total Regeneration and Anti-Wrinkle and Brightening Blended Sodium DNA by Duft and Doft. It says to use it morning and night. It seems to be a lot of natural stuff, methacones and extracts, just a lot. It's not quite 1 full ounce, but it is pretty big. I've used it a couple times. Obviously, you have to use skincare for like 45 to 60 days to even see an improvement or a difference. So I'll let you know, I guess. I do like getting eye creams in subscription boxes because they're normally one of the most expensive items that you have to purchase. And so this saves some coin, and you can get some other things that you want to like, say eyeshadow palettes or foundations. So, I'm excited to get this. I do like trying new brands, and I like trying eye creams, so this will be a really, really good one. So my pick for the box this month was the Tarte C Surfer Coral Volumizing Mascara, and genuinely, I'm wearing it today. I really like the mascara. I like the brush. Of course, I'm always going to go over it with my Unique, but that's another thing. This has algae, vitamin E, mineral pigment, and ophthalmologist tested. So, seems to be pretty good for you. It doesn't say that it is waterproof, but I feel like if it's going to be surfer curl, shouldn't it be waterproof? So I don't know. We'll just have to figure it out as we go. The next thing I got, is by Il Makiage. I do like the packaging on this, like hello packaging. It is 1 single eyeshadow. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Alright, well, the glue that they put, or the magnet, didn't want to hold on to my eyeshadow. Are we on here right? Yeah, we in here right. Okay. So this is the color. This is called News Flash 959 News Flash Color Boss. So this color we can swatch. It's just a nice brown shimmer shade. Nothing too revolutionary or life-changing. I like the outer packaging. I think that this is just really rad type packaging, but I do wish that I'd gotten a different color because I don't wear a lot of brown shimmers. I don't know about anyone else, but I'll keep it, and I think it's really cool to look at, especially the outer packaging. But again, there it is. So trying something new from Il Maquillage, like, I ain't mad at it, but I just wish it was more, I don't know, like a champagne or a pink or something I could just wear with anything. Since it is a single shadow, I wish that it was more universal. Like, I know people are like, brown is universal, but like, if you do a black smoky eye and put brown on the lid, yeah, but I don't do that very often. So okay, so I was supposed to get Nature's Cartel. It was supposed to be like a clear sort of like white gloss. But instead I got the Bella and Argent in like this super bright orange color. And I had to let Ipsy know, like, hey, you didn't send me what you said you were sending me. And I just thought you should know. This is called a Lip Lure. And it's the color Jealous of Us. And it's right there. Which isn't terrible. But like, when they tell you they're sending you something, they should definitely send that something. I feel like, anyway. Then last but not least. Is that last but not least? Maybe. Maybe... That was an add-on, that was an add-on. Yeah, those were add-ons. Okay, so then we got the Retinol plus Blue Tansy Luna Sleeping Night Oil. It's a next generation retinoid oil, reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles with fighting the signs of maturing, aging, and surface of redness skin. This is by Sunday Riley. Excited about this, love this. I actually think this was my pick, so... It's hard to remember, you know what I mean? Like, going through subscription boxes, it's really hard to remember. So then I got add-ons. Wait, no, okay. So I had, what is it? I feel like this was supposed to be part of what I was getting. So this is the 205 Tapered Blending. I was supposed to get this brush. No, this was an add-on. Jesus Christ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, so everything else is an add-on. So I was supposed to get this as an add-on. It was supposed to be with the pink, and then it had a little notch in it. Love these brushes. I really wanted another one, and then they didn't even put it in my box. When they sent it to me, I didn't get it at all. So I messaged them and let them know, and they were like, okay, we'll send it to you. Well, thanks. Well, you also didn't send me the right lip gloss. You sent me some different bullshit. You know what I mean? So you forgot my add-on. You put something else in there other than what you said you were sending me. And then because my ultimate still hasn't gotten to me, and it's like the end of the month, they gave me 1,200 points for the point store. And there's 4 items in the point store right now. So I don't know what's going on with Ipsy, but they're falling a little bit behind, and I'm not excited about it. So... They're normally spot on, everything's good, everything's right, and they slippin'. So next we have the Pixie by Petra in the color Honey Sheen, and this is just a lip gloss. I hadn't really tried much from them, but I just decided, you know, maybe I should. I've heard a lot of good things about it. You can get it at Target. I'm gonna go ahead and add that over that. What I have on right now. Oh, that's pretty. So it does taste a little bit like peppermint. I don't really enjoy that in my lip glosses, but that's what we got. So the next thing that I got was the Makeup Geek, and this is the face buffer brush, and it does good. I like to go in with my YSL finishing powder, and I like to just sort of like buff everywhere and make sure there's no really harsh lines and everything really looks good, and this brush is perfect for that. So I was excited to get that. And then last but not least, we had the add-on of the Dominique Cosmetics Rustic Glam eyeshadow palette. You know, I don't wear a lot of blues, but then when I got to looking at it, I was like, well, it's just a blue matte, a light blue shimmer, and then a black with some blue flecks in it. So it's not that much. But the rest of these colors, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one I've all used already. So I actually really like the palette. This is great for everyday mask wearing. The formula in this is much better than the Lemonade. I did not like the Lemonade palette that she came out with. I did return that when I bought it from Sephora, but I am excited. I do want to try the Latte and the Latte 2, so if they happen to have those, then I would definitely get them. But I thought this was a fabulous add-on option. They did have it in like the shopper thing for a little while, but it was a little bit more expensive in shopper than it was in the add-on, so I was glad I waited and got it in the add-on. So that is my Ipsy Plus. I am more than pleased with it. I just wish that they had sent my add-on brush and sent the lip gloss that they said they were sending. Other than that, Ipsy's been great for me. So I am going to be doing my choice and letting you know what I picked and then what we get for August and when it shows up. So we'll have a whole new month next month in August to talk about the newness and see how it works out and see how it arrives and things like that. So stay tuned. I'll let you know if I like it or not. And then I'm going to do Ultimate this next month. I did pick the big Powder Complex Culture brush for my pick for the Ultimate, so we'll see what that gets me for the rest of my box. So do good, be good, you are good, and I'll see you guys later. Do you want to see videos based on what I picked, what picks were, what's coming, what's in the pop-up stores, what's in the add-on stores? Do you want to see videos like that? Let me know, because I can film them if you want to. Or if you just want to keep it with the unboxings, also let me know that down below. So if you're the first one to comment on my last video, you'll now be featured here. Thank you for having your notification bell on, watching, being subscribed, and always interacting with me. If you want to be featured in the next video, just be the first person to comment on this one, and there you go. I'll see you later. Do good, be good, you are good, and I'm out. Okay, so I did want to say that my Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate came today, the 30th. So the day before the last day of the month. And I'm just going to add on quickly what I got in it to combine the two for the video's sake. So, sorry. So the bag that we got for the Ultimate is a larger size bag, same material and everything like that, same card. So we got the Glow Pill Serum. I guess this is supposed to be for glowing. It did have a lot of good things in the ingredients, so I am looking forward to trying that out with my morning skincare. The Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. There's like black balls or something in it, so that's not very appealing, but I will go ahead and give it a try. Maybe it'll work with that Estee Lauder foundation. The Purlisse Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. So this is a wash. Most of their serums or moisturizers break my skin out, so hopefully this cleanser won't, because my face is super clear right now. Green tea eye gel patches. They're supposed to be soothing. I just don't like things like this. The coffee scrub in French vanilla is an item that I have already received. I did not use it then. I will probably not use it now. We have 2 eyeshadow sticks. So these are the colors. And just a standard eyeshadow stick by The Real Her, I think. My pick for the Il Makiage in the color Latte. This is a brow pencil, no spoolie, just the pencil. We've got a little sample size here of the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I like the Aqua Balm, but this will be good. The Trestique Contour Stick does come with the like bronzing contour cream product, and then on the bottom is a blending brush, so I thought that was pretty cool. The Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask, which I am excited to use. There's quite a few in here, so this will be probably last me a whole year, honestly. Then we finally got a perfume, the Catherine, I don't know now, Special Moments. This is the first perfume I've ever gotten from Ipsy that I really enjoyed. It smells very, very good. Fruity, floral, exactly what I like. Then, last but not least, we got the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. Of course, these colors I have a million times over. I'll try to get a picture to put it up so you can see, but this is my Ultimate box. So, there you go. Thanks.